Modern architecture in Minecraft emphasizes sharp lines, square surfaces, and clean geometric shapes. A simple way to achieve this is by varying the heights of your walls. Some can even extend past the roof. Modern designs often incorporate squares, rectangles, and straight lines in the exterior, creating visually striking contrasts while maintaining a simple rectangular floor plan. Pairing clean white walls with natural materials is a common theme. White materials such as quartz, sandstone, wool, or light stone give the house a pristine, orderly feel, while wood or stone panels add warmth and contrast. This combination reflects the connection between human-made order and the beauty of nature. Gray can also be used as a neutral alternative to white. Large glass windows are another hallmark of modern design. These provide scenic views, open up interior spaces, and contribute to the house's clean, airy aesthetic. Multiple furnaces can speed up glass production, especially if you build near a beach or desert to easily collect sand. Rectangular glass panes work best, forming open spaces and exterior patterns that complement the structure's geometry. Symmetry is not a priority in modern architecture. Houses can be lopsided, uneven, or unconventional in shape. Unique angles, jutting sections, and asymmetrical layouts create a striking visual impression and differentiate modern designs from traditional symmetrical buildings. The goal is to challenge conventional expectations and embrace creativity in